Hi, and welcome to Tollgate Farm, part of Michigan State University. We're here in Novi, Michigan. We're going to watch to see the behavior of our chickens today on the farm. But first, let's stop to wonder, why would a farmer choose to raise chickens on their farm? What do you think is the purpose of the chicken on the farm? Do any of you like to eat eggs for breakfast? Or an egg salad sandwich, or maybe you've had deviled eggs at a picnic. Well, that's one big reason many farmers raise chickens, for the eggs. Some breeds of chickens are egg breeds. We call them layers. Some, on the other hand, are meat breeds, and some are dual purpose breeds, which means they're raised for both eggs and meat. Some people even keep chickens because they're beautiful and they make good companions. So now we'll meet one of our hens up close and personal. Chickens have feathers for protection from weather conditions such as rain, cold, and sun. Feathers also protect their body from injury. The color of the feathers depends on the breed, of course. There are three types of feathers. They're flight feathers, they're down feathers, and they're contour feathers. Feathers on their neck are called hackles. So a chicken also, we talked about their beak. It's the best tool chickens have. They have beaks to help them eat. They actually use their beaks, much like we use our hands, for communication, for protection, to explore, to eat, and to groom. Do you see her red wattles hanging down here? Wattles help cool the chicken down. As blood circulates through the comb and the wattles, heat's transferred from the body to the surrounding air. The comb is a fleshy growth on the top of the chicken's head. It helps the chicken to cool down. Both male and female chickens have combs, but the ones on the males are larger. Combs of different breeds may look different in shape and even in color. While most combs are red, some breeds of chickens have purple combs. A chicken's feet has 16 bones. If her feet are bright yellow and her comb bright red, that chicken may not be laying. If these parts are more faded in color, it may indicate the hen is laying. She's using keratin, yellow coloring in her body to color the egg yolks instead of her feet. So what did we notice today about the difference between the chicken, the hen, the female, and the rooster, the male chicken? I'm holding a hen right now. What did we call the male chicken? That's right, a rooster. The rooster has a much larger comb on the top of his head and large ornamental colorful neck and tail feathers. He also has spurs on the back of his legs he uses as weapons to defend himself or the flock. There are lots of chickens in this world, an estimated 50 billion chickens to the world's 7 billion people. Scientists think our modern-day chicken originated when a red jungle fowl, Gallus gallus, crossed with a gray jungle fowl. Sometimes people ask us, how long do chickens live? Chickens may live up to 10 to 15 years, but few live out their full natural lives. Can chickens fly? What do you think? The answer is yes, but not very well. They can fly about 6 feet in the air for spurts of about 20 feet in length. I'd like to leave with some questions to think about. What parts of the body does a chicken have that helps them survive? What body parts do we have that are similar to chickens? How are we different? How do we as people depend on chickens? And today I'd like to think about how chickens here on the farm depend on us. Some of you may be raising chickens at home. If you are, take a picture or a video of your chickens and tell us all about them.